Hello everybody, yes, I'm back to bug you again about this FAA's NPRM for remote identification of unmanned aircraft systems. We need to comment now. We need to stop this now. The deadline is in less than 6 days on 3/2/2020. Now I don't know if that's 11:59 p.m. on Monday 3/2 or if it's 11:59 p.m. on Sunday 3/1 going into Monday. So I suggest having your comments in on Sunday evening at the latest to make sure they go in. On this page you can comment right here. You can also download the PDF of the NPRM right there. It is a lengthy read, so be prepared. And please, when you're reading this, look at the big picture of everything this will affect. Now, I have links to this page as well as an alternate comment page and links to where you can contact your representatives and senators. Definitely comment here on the FAA's page, and then you can start commenting to your representatives and senators. It is important we stop this. This will have a negative effect on everything at every level of society, and everyone at every level of society, from the common person to educators to inventors to innovators to the hobbyists to kids' toys to STEM programs to college degrees, you name it, it will be negatively impacted by this. It's going to eliminate most everything when it comes to aviation and aerospace technology and education and innovation. It's going to eliminate it all. Businesses gone, jobs gone, everything gone, education, STEM programs gone. It's going to affect everyone at every level. Privacy issues with this remote identification. This is data collection issues. It's going to be absolutely insane. We cannot let this happen. And even if you're anti-drone or anti-aircraft or anti-unmanned aircraft, anti-RC, whatever you are, if you don't like a kid playing with their toys in a yard or a person out in a field, flying their RC aircraft, minding their own business, away from everybody, you're in for a big surprise if you have a problem with them people, because this is to clear airspace from the ground to 600 feet for commercial delivery drones. They want to eliminate anything and everything that flies that the public has access to and educators have access to make way for commercial delivery drones. And if you got a problem with a kid in the yard playing with a toy, you're in for a big surprise, because there's going to be hundreds, if not thousands, of commercial delivery drones flying around your neighborhood every day, around your house, landing at your neighbor's house, landing at your house, flying over your house, flying over traffic, flying over highways, flying over your homes, everything. And these things are not immune to failure. There will be failures. There will be people harmed. There will be homes burned down. There will be everything. You think I'm kidding, but this is the way it's going to be. There will be no more education, no more, inventions, no more things for kids, no more STEM programs. It's all going to be gone. We got to stop this now. Hobbyists are gone. You AMA guys that think you saved your field, you're gravely mistaken. This is designed to phase you out within 3 years, completely and utterly. Businesses, aerial photographers, you guys are going to be greatly impacted. If you depend on this to make your living, you will be shut down. You may be able to hold out for a little while, but it's not going to be pleasant. You're going to have to start from scratch, and the cost is going to be too great. Your overhead is going to be so high that you will be shut down just by the fact that no one's going to pay the prices that you will have to charge for your services. So we need to stop this now. Comment now, comment now, comment now. And contact your representatives and your senators and tell them we cannot have this. This will have such a negative impact on society as a whole at every level. Comment now.